done a lot of things so far, and it's really nice. We have all these pages loading. Alright, so let's still go ahead with this home page and see what we can do. So starting from here, the search bar. Okay, we want to work on the search. Alright, so we want a situation where we type in something here and then we hit search, and it's performs a search of our jobs, and it gives us back a page. So the page it should be giving us should look like this, like search results showing all the jobs. So all we can do, we will need a page like that. So let's clone this latest jobs page so that it can serve as our search page. Okay, so let's do views there. Let's say latest jobs. Okay, let me copy that and then create a new page. Let's call that search page .hbs. Okay, the search page.hbs. Let's put that here, and then let's call this search jobs, what we're going to be passing inside. And yeah, okay, so the variable we're going to be passing inside here is going to be called search jobs. That's fine. Alright, so now what we want to do will be to create a route. Okay, to be a post route. Which will be /search. Okay, and it's going to be bringing back search term, which will be rect.body.search. So search is what we're going to be calling the input field that is going to be responsible for our search, and then we should render the search page. Okay, render the search page. Okay, so now we're going to need to go to the HTML and make sure that we're pointing to /search, and we're naming the input field search. So that is on search page now. So let's look at that. Let's find the form. Okay, no, I mean the index page, because that's where the form is. This one right here. This is the form we should be working with. So it's on the index page. Okay, so where is that? Let's get that. Okay, so where is the form? Okay, I can see the select, so I can see the input. Oh, so there's no form. Alright, so we'll just put the form, wrap a form around this whole thing. Right, give it a method, post action /search. Okay, that's the route. And then we need to close this form where there's a submit button. Alright, right here. Excellent. So now the input box is input. Let's see, let's give that a name. So name will be equal to what? So let's make that search. So when we do rect.body.search, we can get whatever value comes in from the user through here. And then for the search, let's give that a name as well. Let's give that category. We'll be coming back to that. And for the next one too, let's give that location. Okay, and let's see. Alright, so now let's look at this. For now, let's try to grab the search results. So let's just console.log search term. Okay, so if I come here and I put job, so I come here and I put job and I search. Okay, so it's rendering this page, only that we haven't looped it with some things yet, because that's what we said is that now at slash search. So it's rendering this search page, but it's bringing in the search term. Okay, so I can see job right here. Alright, that's fantastic. So now that we're getting what the user is searching, it's time to use that to find a particular set of jobs that will be relevant to the user's search. Okay, so let's use a filter there. So we'll take all our jobs. So we'll say jobs.filter. Filter will take an arrow function right there. Let's represent each element with an E. So we can say return where title. Okay, I would have loved to say dot include, so let's make that simpler. So what we'll do is save that e.title in a variable. Let's call that title equals e.title to make our code cleaner. So we'll now say return where title dot includes. So the dot includes is a JavaScript method that we can use to search through a string, okay, and get, so that we can find if a string includes a particular string, so that we can return, in this case now, all the children that include the search term in their title. Okay, so title dot includes what now? Search term. Okay, so it should do that. Let's save that in a variable. Const search jobs equals jobs.filter every child. Take the title there where the title includes search term, return that array and save into a variable called search jobs. So for now, let's console.log search jobs. Okay, so let's try that. So I'll do job and I'll search. Okay, alright, so there's job here, but there's no job here in the title, so that's why this one is not showing. So these two are showing. Okay, so our search is working to a point. So now we just need to deploy this guy by passing it out into the page. So now this search page is what's going to be rendering, and for every search job we're going to see the title, location and salary. So that's fine. So let's test this out now and see that this search is now working. So we can do job, right, and hit search. So now it's showing us the two jobs that have that term job in them. Okay, so that's fine. However, we'll have issues with capitalization. So what if the user says job? We have nothing. Why? Simply because this guy is in capital letter and the job itself is in small letter, as it is in this titles here. But we don't have the control over how the user types in, whether they want to use capital letter or small letter. So we want a situation where we can take care of a situation of small letters or capital letters. In other words, in contextual grammar, we want a case insensitive operation. So let me put that. So for case insensitive. Alright, so we want it to be case insensitive, right? Good. So now what's happening is that we'll need to use what is called regular expressions. So regular expressions help us handle advanced string operations, string search, string filtering operations. So let's try to integrate that. Now how we're going to do that, now we're getting a search term is in string. We want to change that to a regular expression that allows case insensitivity. So what we can do is to say const, or let's use let here for the search term. Let's search term. So now let's make search term. So let's say search term dot no, search term now should be equal to new reg exp. So that's a regular expression constructor. It creates a regular expression, and I can now create a regular expression by putting this in, that is the search term, the string version, and then I can now put the flag. In this case I want I, so that means case insensitive. So now I'm creating a regular expression that is search term case insensitive. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. For now, okay, so let's just do that. Let's try. So capital letter J. Let's run that. Okay, search jobs is not defined, but don't worry, we got what we're looking for. So this is what the regular expression now looks like. Job I. So now it's taking in the string and applying this I flag to it. So basically what this is now is a version of the string that is case insensitive. Okay, so it's a regular expression. Alright, so now let's try to find our jobs using this regular expression. So still we're going to filter the jobs array, alright, and then we will check inside and see. Let's still save the title inside the variable called title. For now, instead of includes, we're going to use something else, because includes should be fine, but if we try using includes now to tell us first argument to string.prototype.includes must not be a regular expression. So includes doesn't accept regular expressions. So we'll use includes sibling called match. Yes, so instead of includes we'll use match. So match accepts regular expressions and it returns an array of the results. So now I can search using the capital letter J and hit search, and yes, it brings back the ones that have job in them. So newest job in town, software job, and so on and so forth. So if you look at the jobs array, yes, those are the only two. This newest job in town title, this one the title doesn't have job in it, this one the title doesn't, this one the title has job in it. So those are the only two that are showing up right there. So the search is actually a bit advanced. It's working so far. The only part that needs to be done now is this part right here. So we'll come back to that, but it's really easy. We just need to make sure that this is not the only criteria we are using to find our jobs. So it should be a combination of finding the jobs that the title includes or matches the search term, and then also the category matches the what's it called now, the category of the job, and the location also matches the location of the job. So that is just going to be like so let's see how we can achieve that. Let's see how we can achieve that now. So one way we can achieve that is say, okay, where so let's save that in a variable. So let's say const. Uh, let's call that we can call it qualified equals where the title that's each child where the title dot matches the search term, and the let's give it other properties, because now we have to look at the category e.category. We also have to look at what's it called now, what's the name, location equals e.location. Okay, so now we have this guy, so and location, so location equals rec.body.location. So let's save that here. So let's call that search category. Okay, so search category. All right, and also search location. Okay, I think this one should be category. So that's the category of the particular child. It's the same as the search category that comes in, and the search location and the location of the particular child equals the search location, that is the location that is coming in. Okay, so now we will need to then return only qualified guys. Alright, so now that means we need to take the HTML much more seriously at index so that they can return the proper thing. So index here, that means these categories must match the categories that our jobs are having. Okay, so let's look at these jobs. Where are the jobs? So this is the jobs. Okay, so we have jobs here. Where are they? Okay, so we have location Abuja, Lagos. Okay, we can just put them in small letters here so that they can be uniform. Okay, so location Lagos. So we have Abuja, and Lagos. Okay, what other locations do we have in that when we are trying to post a job? Okay, what other locations do we have? Okay, so we have Lagos, Abuja, Ibadan, and Jos. Okay, then this one is marketing, customer service, and human resource. Okay, So let's try to implement that right here in the search. Okay, so that means the first category should be um, okay, so we have marketing, human resource, and customer service. Okay, all right. Okay, while the location we should have Lagos, Abuja, Ibadan. So now the values should match with the content, so but in small caps now so that we don't have much to do. And like I said, the value is as good as someone typing in text into an input field. It's the same effect. Okay, so here let's do the same thing. Lagos, let's have Abuja, then let's have Ibadan. Okay, that's fine. So Lagos, Abuja, Ibadan, and yes, those values are there already. So now what we need to do is to let's confirm these jobs so that we don't come back with 0 jobs. Okay, so this first one is it? No, those are applications. Where are the jobs now? Okay, so this first job, I think we need more jobs. Generally speaking, we need more jobs. And, so now we have let's call this one marketing job. Lagos. See the categories we are putting won't even allow us get anything. Let's just make all the categories marketing for now. Since it's a demo, when we're taking it more seriously. Okay. Alright, marketing. So marketing as a category, location, Lagos. So they are all in Lagos. Only the first one is in Abuja. Alright, that's fantastic. So now that means we are not taking into consideration just the you know match anymore. We are also looking at whether the category matches the search category passed in, or whether the location matches the search location passed in. And I hope those guys are getting past in this rect or body location. Why would they not? Well, they will be if they have names. Okay, so we have category, we have location. Okay, let's try to search then. Let's see. So let's look for job. Let's use capital letter now. Okay, and okay, we need to refresh this so that this can get updated. Okay, so let's do job and let's select a category, marketing, and location. Let's select Lagos. Search. Perfect. So now we have uh, jobs that have the title of where that have the string job in their title and also belong to the marketing category and also come from Lagos. Excellent. Okay, so that search bar is working perfectly well right there, and we are good to go. Okay, so next thing we want to look at is exploring by category. We want a situation where all our categories have this box right here for each of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we can create something for categories separately, but we don't want to waste too much time, so we'll just create those categories on our own. So marketing, customer service, human resource, project management, and all. Let's just note them down. Okay, let's put them somewhere here. So let's say categories. So let's do marketing. What else? So there's supposed to be 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so we have marketing. What else do we need? Customer service, human resource, project management. Okay, we can do this. Okay. Project management. That means we need to create a lot of jobs. Okay, business development. What else? I thought there were 6. Okay, so we have all these categories. So our job is to find the number of jobs in each category and display them accordingly. So let's see how we can achieve that. So now, first off, we don't have jobs that belong to these categories yet. Okay, so we need to demo that. But even before that, if I click on this, I want it to take us to a page that is very similar to the latest jobs, page, and I want it to have, I want it to also indicate that this is for jobs that are in the so category. So I think we have a category page. Yes, we have a category page, category.hbs, and I think we also have a route for that. So do we have a route for that? Enough of this search. Do we have a category page? Alright, so slash category slash category. Okay, so if I go to slash category slash something something. Okay, excellent. So we already have this page set up for us. We just need to load it up and link it accordingly. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is to say, look, each of these boxes should be linked to slash category slash the name of the particular category. Then we'll use that to load up some things. Okay, it's quite easy. So what we want to do is to make sure that we come to the HTML, that will be the index.hbs there, and say, you know what, category. Okay, yeah, this is what we're looking for. This right here, it's 1, 2, 3 jobs, 1, 2, 3 jobs. This is this right here. So we found our guy. So what we need to do now is to change some things there. So now marketing, 1, 2, 3 jobs. Marketing is okay, but the href should go to slash category slash marketing. Okay, slash category slash marketing. So this same format is what we're going to use for every other person. So let's have that. So in this case, we will have slash category slash customer service, or let's just put it together so that we don't have any issues. Customer service, okay, and then let's have or we can put this way so that when we are doing our dynamic URL we won't have any issues. So let's do slash category, more on that later anyway, slash category slash human resource, okay. Then here we have slash category slash project management, okay. Here we have business development, here we have sales and development, okay. Then here we have teaching and education, alright. So then next we'll have what are we having here? Let's have design and creative, okay. Alright, so now we've changed these URLs and each of these guys should be leading us to the same page. So for now, yes, so it's leading us to this job listing page, which is slash category slash marketing. So watch out for this space. Then if we come here to customer service, you can see it has appended this percentage 20. So when it comes to URLs, percentage 20 stands for space. So that's the representation of space. That's what. That's why I didn't bother about that. But yes, that's fine. So now we want to use this to find the particular category and then load up only the jobs that belong to that particular category, okay.